only 32% of Americans keep a monthly budget. And the ones who try usually quit within 2 weeks because the budget is too complicated, too restrictive, or just too hard to follow. The 503020 rule fixes all of that. It's the simplest, most effective budgeting system ever created, and you can set it up in under 10 minutes. Here's exactly how it works. What the 503020 rule is. The 503020 rule divides your after-tax income into 3 buckets. 50% goes to needs, minus the essentials you cannot live without. 30% goes to wants, the things that make life enjoyable. 20% goes to savings, and debt payoff? Your future. That's the entire system. 3 numbers. 1 rule, applied consistently. It builds financial stability faster than any complicated spreadsheet ever could. 50% needs the non-negotiables. Your needs bucket covers everything you absolutely must pay to survive and function. Rent or mortgage. Groceries, utilities, electricity, water, internet, minimum debt payments, transportation to work. The key word is must. Your Netflix subscription, gym membership, and daily coffee is not a need. If your needs are eating more than 50% of your income, that's a signal. Either your income needs to rise or a major expense like rent needs to come down. More on that in a moment. 30% wants enjoy your life. This is the bucket most budgets get wrong. They eliminate it entirely. That's why people quit. Your wants are the things that make life worth living. Dining out, streaming services, hobbies, weekend trips, new clothes, concert tickets. You are allowed to spend 30% of your income on these things without guilt, as long as the other 2 buckets are covered first. This is the difference between a budget that punishes you and a budget you can actually follow for years. 20% savings and debt your future. The 20% bucket is where wealth is built. This covers your emergency fund, your Roth IRA contributions, any extra debt payments above the minimum, and long-term savings goals. Here's the order of priority inside this bucket. First, build your $1,000 emergency fund. Second, pay off any high-interest debt. Third, max out your Roth IRA. Fourth, invest the rest in index funds. Every dollar in this bucket is working for your future instead of someone else's. Protect it, automate it, don't touch it. $4,000 monthly take-home pay. Say you take home $4,000 a month after taxes. 50% minus $2,000 goes to needs. Rent $1,200. Groceries $300. Utilities $150. Car insurance $150. Phone $100. Internet $100. That's $2,000. 30% minus $1,200 goes to wants. Dining out $300. Streaming $50. Gym $50. Shopping $300. Entertainment $200. Personal spending $300. That's $1,200. 20%, $800 goes to savings and debt. $200 to emergency fund. $300 to Roth IRA. $300 to extra credit card payment. That's $800. Simple, repeatable, every single month. What if the numbers don't work? If you live in a high-cost city, 50% for needs might not be realistic. That's okay. The rule is a framework, not a law. Adjust it to what works for your situation. 602020. 701515. The exact percentages matter less than the principal needs. First, 1 second, savings always get something. The one number that should never hit 0 is that savings bucket. Even if it's 5% right now, it must exist. Automate it so it happens before you can spend it. Your action plan. Take your monthly take-home pay, multiply by 0.5, 0.0, 0.3, and 0.2. That's your budget. Set up automatic transfers for the savings bucket today. Links to the best budgeting apps are in the description to help you track it. Once your savings bucket is funded, my videos on building an emergency fund and opening a Roth IRA show you exactly where to put that money. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.